how to create Kaiser Permanente account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Kaiser Permanente account on the official website, that is kaiserpermanente.org. Whether you're a new member or just need to manage your healthcare, having an online account makes everything easier. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and simply go to kaiserpermanente.org, or you can also search for Kaiser Permanente and simply tap on the first and foremost official page. Once you tap on that, you're simply directed to the sign in page. Here you need to simply enter your email address or user ID and simply enter your password. If you don't have an account yet, simply tap on sign up option. Just scroll down a little bit and you'll find an option that says register for an account. Simply tap on it and you may need to enter your personal details, your email address and your phone number. Also, if you're a new member, make sure you have your member ID card handy to complete this section. Once you've done that, you'll create your username and password. And after submitting all your information, Kaiser Permanente will send you a verification email, and open your inbox and click the link in the email to verify your account. And that's it, you've successfully created your Kaiser Permanente account.